Welcome to Majestic Corporation investor presentation. My name is Peter Lay, Chairman and CEO of the company. We innovate and inspire smart solutions in precious metals and non-ferrous metal recycling to strengthen our communities to create a sustainable future. We prefer metals to be recycled and not mined. Bit of a history of our company. We started the company called WSF Group Limited, specializing in non-ferrous metals and delivering to the China market since 2003. In 2007, we achieved close to 70,000 tonnes of metal delivering into China. And then 2013, due to restrictions of scrap metal going into China, we started our facilities in Malaysia. And then 2017, we rebranded Majestic company to Majestic Corporation after the US, Europe, and China imposed tariffs into for scrap metals. And then March 2022, we listed on the Aquis Stock Exchange under the ticker MCJ. Our business is divided into two main segments. The first segment is the precious metal refinery segment, where we collect processing from processing plants and purchase post-production material into our Majestic facilities or partner facilities in the United Kingdom, US, Mexico, Australia, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Italy, and then deliver it directly to refineries in Japan, Europe, and USA. Our second segment is catalytic converters recycling segment. Our suppliers are from wrecking yards, muffler shops, auto industry, insurance companies, car importers, service stations, and then also we collected in our facilities, logistic facilities in UK, United States, Mexico, Australia, and Hong Kong, and then they're also directly to refineries in Japan and Europe. Our global presence and locations, we have suppliers in and facilities in Mexico. We're collecting catalytic converters. We have one in Georgia, Norcross, USA, for post-consumer collection. UK sales staff, and we're opening a new facility up in Deeside. We have a partner facility in Italy, do the collecting, sorting, baling, and shredding. And the Hong Kong is an office with banking, logistics, and administration. Malaysia, we have processing facilities, sorting, baling, and processing. And then Melbourne, we also have collecting catalytic converters, and then we have a processing facility. Also, this year we've launched our Combatus version 2, which we use to collect catalytic converters with. We give this to our suppliers so they can know exactly what is the precious metal content, and also they will know exactly what price we will pay for each individual converter. In this app, we have a catalog of over 50,000 individual catalytic converters. We can give price guide to and code for each type of catalytic converter. By the end of this year, we'll be charging a subscription fee and also starting advertising on this app as well. In 2022, we developed a sustainable growth strategy, which is first is the transformation in the customer experience and business performance. We deliver the next wave of our customer and productivity improvement through our digital technology, which is our application, to be more directly to our customer, to our supplier base. Also, we have actively lowered emission and produce a better recycled product, meaning we are able to source more directly with the supplier, and then we produce a more cleaner product than deliver straight to the refineries and a more pure product. Our growth portfolio of sustainable processing facilities of precious and non-ferrous metals. We grow our UK business, including expansion in our new facility in Deeside. We drive growth in our existing market and pursue new opportunities. And we deliver our internal SQS assurance, safety, quality, and security in our organization and a strong return. We deliver a safe, sustainable operation and a diverse workplace, maintain a compliant and to our customers and shareholders, deliver quality product to our customers, and deliver strong return to our shareholders. Right, this is our steps for from collection to delivery to the refineries. Our first step was to develop a new application for Kele converters, Compactors version 2. And we also start developing an app for collection for post-consumer appliances as well. Also, once we receive it, we look for the reuse opportunity, and then we look at the harvesting parts opportunity, and then we transform the material to scrap prepared material to deliver directly to the refineries. We will achieve zero landfill during this process. Majestic is well positioned for a long-term sustainable outlook for precious and non-ferrous metals recycling. Our strengths are the high barrier entry. We have a direct from suppliers and direct to end users, and we are fully compliant and certified by the refineries. There's a $200 billion market opportunity with a supply deficit and refinery constraints. The weakness is everything is non-regional. The cost of transport and logistics, freight costs to the refineries. The threats would be the regulatory changes and the macro and political changes. That's what we are facing today. Yes, the 5 key sustainability outcome, which is the climate action, safe and secure workplace, responsible supply chain and products, sustainable enduring business, and community awareness and contribution. This is what we set our organization, our ESG goals for 2022 to be fully executed by 2030. This year, we will, by end of this year, we will have our ESG report published for investors to see. Allocation of capital for long-term sustainable growth and returns for shareholders. Position the business for sustainable low carbon future, achieving our 2030 ESG goals, embedding a climate change in our organization with suppliers, letting them know that we have to comply with our ESG goals and promote our ESG vision to the suppliers as well. Have achieved a carbon neutral is our target in every new facility, meaning using sensors, using electric vehicles as much as we can, and to have renewable energy for our machinery. Investing in long-term sustainable earnings and growth. Our DSI expansion is on track, pending permitting, existing supply growth, regionalising our facility across the world, and then increase our shareholders' return. To achieve all this, we have an executive management team. I myself have 30 years experience in the recycling industry, specialising in the precious metal recycling. Joe Lee, our CFO, 20 years experience in the finance in UK. Gianfranco Guerra, Executive Director, 40 years experience in the recycling industry, specialising in the metals recycling. Jeff Neal, a Non-Executive Director, 20 years experience in the London Stock Exchange. Larry Howick, our Non-Executive Director, of 30 years of experience in the environmental sector, responsible for our ESG compliance and also certificates, regulatory standards. And we have Michael Woods, our ComSec, 40 years experience in a wide range of public company transactions. The financial highlights for the first half of the year: we achieved a revenue of just shy of 13 million, profit just shy of 1.1 million, and a cash on hand of about 2.6 million. And here is our disclaimer.